Hi, my name is Ben Seltzer. I'm a tool maker at Tools for Working Wood and Gramercy Tools in Brooklyn, New York. This is the Gramercy Veneer Saw. The Gramercy Veneer Saw is a contemporary riff on a classic French design. Our saw is designed to be used with traditional veneer sawing techniques, but has several features never before seen on a veneer saw. The central improvement of the Gramercy Veneer Saw is the steel backer plate. This steel plate provides the interface between the walnut handle and the interchangeable blades. To switch blades, just give the 3 machine screws a half turn and slide the blade in or out. We currently offer 4 varieties of blade. The 1560 blade is a traditional pattern that may have originated in England. It's our most popular design. The 1590 is similar to the 1560 but with a more relaxed rake angle. Use it for fragile and difficult veneers. The 1560-60 blade is a traditional French design. It has 2 sets of teeth that appear to face each other. The saw can cut aggressively or smoothly depending on how it's held. Tilt it forward for a more aggressive cut or back for a smooth slice. King Kong is a blade specially designed for cutting thicker veneer. Its tooth pattern is reminiscent of our sash saw, but has a very slight bevel. It's perfect for use with hand-sawn veneer. The Gramercy Tools Veneer Saw can be used with your right or left hand. To use the saw, simply pull it along a straight edge. The Gramercy Tools Veneer Saw is sold sharp, ready to use, and is made in the USA.